Greetings, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Guaranty RV Supercenter in Junction City, Oregon. My name is Erik.Sakshaug, and today I'm going to be giving you a brief tutorial on this brand new 2018 Winnebago Sunstar 29 VE. As you will see from the demonstration, I think you'll find that the letters VE could possibly stand for very entertaining. Let's go have a look. Right, starting in the back of this brand new 2018 29 VE, queen size bed as you would normally expect. As you look in the sides here, it might be a little tricky to see, but you actually have 110 power in this cubby hole. You've also got 110 power in that cubby hole on the other side as well. Real important if you're going to be wanting to charge cell phones, tablets, anything like that, or if you have to use a CPAP machine, that's also a great ready supply of power for you. You've also got 110 power over here in this area, nice TV up above. Check out the amount of storage and dresser and wardrobe space you've got here. Dressers, they're on full ball bearing slides, very durable, very long lasting. You've also got a 3-drawer wardrobe here as well. Perfect if you're going to be going on long extended road trips. If you've got 3 or 4 family members with you, everyone is going to have more than enough space. As we get into the bathroom here, check out the size of this shower. I stand about 5'9", I weigh about 200 pounds, and as you can see, I do not have a shortage of space in here at all. Someone about 6'3" or 6'4" could get in here quite easily. And with my back all the way against this wall, as you can see, there's a lot of space for me to still wiggle my fingers. So lots of room in here. And as we go in here, there's also a good amount of storage in here as well for a variety of different things. As we work our way forward just a little bit more, let's talk about the kitchen a bit. You do, of course, have ample supplies here for pantry storage. You can get lots of stuff in here. As you can see, I can just barely touch the backs of these with my hand going in there all the way. Gas, electric, refrigerator, as you would expect. Fully equipped kitchen, as you would expect. But with the kitchen, just look at how they've got things placed. As you can see, again, I'm about 5'9". All these cabinets are about eye level. There's no reaching way up into anything. So literally anyone in your family can access these, no problem. They've actually got the 110 power supply here, properly positioned so you're not trying to fumble around and reach for something that's tucked up under here as well. Lots of counter space. There's plenty of room for a coffee pot, a toaster, anything you can think of. They'll make your stay out in the wild just that much more wonderful. 110 power right there as well, but check out the dinette more importantly. And as you can see, when I get in here, I can go very comfortably, and as you can see, I'm really not going to have to worry about knocking knees with anybody. So that means you can get all 4 people in here very comfortably, enjoy a nice family dinner, no worries. This will also readily convert to a sleeping area. You've also got a jackknife sofa here that will readily convert to a sleeping area. And then, bonus of all bonuses, up here, you've actually got a twin size bunk bed that'll drop right out of the ceiling. All you got to do is go back and push one button, and this will drop right down nice and quick, quiet as you please, and actually has about a 250-pound capacity, so you can even sleep a full-size adult up there. As we move into the cab, these 2 seats will of course rotate 180 degrees. You do have a wonderful workstation space here. This is, as you can clearly see, equipped with USB and 12-volt power. So that means you can power up a laptop, you can power up your iPad. You can get on Facebook while you're going down the road and make your friends jealous of all the fun you're having. It's kind of a wonderful thing. Also over here, we do of course are going to be featuring the F53 chassis. This is going to have a Triton 6.8 liter V10 motor. You are going to have mirroring technology here in your dash console. It's kind of an important thing. Rather than having the in-dash navigation where you got to replace the memory chip or get your laptop out and continuously plug it in for upgrades, this is actually going to plug in directly to your cell phone. So your cell phone updates every single day. So you're always going to have Google Maps. This is a touch screen, as you can see. I can kind of close that out and make the selection. So this, you can actually control everything about Google Maps and everything about your cell phone from here without having to kind of fumble around and pay attention as you're driving down the road. Really very convenient. That does it for the inside of the coach. Let's go have a wonderful look at this exterior. Right, on the exterior, this brand new 2018 Sunstar 29 VE. Let's start looking, number one, at all of the storage capacity that we have here. As you can see, this is a massive amount of storage. This bay here goes all the way through to the other side. And as you can see, I'm actually on the other side of this bay as well. So you can fit lots of cool stuff in here. You could probably fit a couple of small surfboards. You could fit a lot of golf clubs, fishing rods, portable canoes, kayaks, barbecues, anything that you can think of will pretty much fit in there. One of the other wonderful things about Winnebago, which is a lot easier to see out here than inside the coach, is if you pay attention to that sticker. Winnebago is one of the very few companies that makes about 80% of the coach themselves. So if anything with this coach happens to go a little haywire, the worst thing you'll have to do is call Winnebago and give them that number on that sticker, and they will actually ship you the proper part. One of those beautiful things that makes Winnebago unique from their competition. Getting back to the exterior, this is the big reason why I believe that this VE on here stands for very entertaining. Check out the outdoor entertainment area. You've got two marine grade speakers out here. You've also got that huge awning right up at the very top that's going to go almost the length of the coach. And then from there, the crown jewel is this wonderful outdoor kitchen. This is probably the best equipped outdoor kitchen on the RV market right now. Check out the storage space that you have up above here and on the side here as well. You've got a refrigerator. You've got another storage area out here as well. This is going to be a great workstation, and then from there you've also got another workstation, another great spot for utensils and whatnot. 110 power is here as well. You've even got a bottle opener built in right there. It really is well equipped, so perfect for tailgaters. If your friends are going to have a big huge party and they want you to have kind of like a mobile catering station, you can use it for that as well. Great for having your kids do sleepovers. There's just a multitude of things that you can do with this outdoor kitchen. Other great thing about it is that you do of course have a propane jack. So this is going to tap into the main propane tank on the coach, so you can set your barbecue up here as well. Really make it the full meal deal. Backup camera as you would expect, 5,000 pound tow hitch as you would expect. Also 4,000 watt generator as you would expect. And then from there, more storage, but here's the big thing. Crown jewel on this side is going to be the wet bay. Winnebago has this thing very elegantly organized and very simple to understand. Black means black, gray means gray, red means hot, and blue lines mean cold. They've really fixed it so you can troubleshoot this yourself. You can also, it's going to make life a lot easier on the maintenance team when you bring it in for service as well. But you will never have any doubt as to what's going on in here, and this will actually be a very wonderful thing and to simplify everything for you. Ladies and gentlemen, that's about all the time we have to talk about this particular coach. Once again, my name is Erik.Sakshaug. If you've got questions on this coach or any of the other wonderful products that we have, please feel free to contact me at the contact information below on the screen. Or if you'd like, please feel free to contact me directly on my cell phone. That number is 541-513-3171. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Please remember, we're always here to help.